12:02 a.m. Central Standard Time. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2 inches in 30 minutes. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Stafford, Jersey Village, Hunters Creek Village, Bunker Hill Village, Piney Point Village, Spring Branch West, Spring Branch North, Spring Valley, Eastern Attucks Park 10, Eldridge, or West Oaks, Mission Bend, Hedwig Village, Hillshire Village, Briar Forest, West Ace, Midwest, Sharpstown, Spring Branch Central, West Branch and Alief. This includes the following low-water crossings: Cook Road at Brays Bayou Tributary, Beltway 8 at Harlan, Interstate 10 at Beltway 8 West and US 290 at Senate Avenue. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.